beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am so excited to be doing this video. As you all know, I am a huge fan of colorful meals. I just feel like colorful meals have this aura. They are inviting and appealing to the eyes even before you taste it. Well, I am back with another chicken curry sauce. Well guys, this sauce is what we call sauce in Nigeria. There was a time that it was rampant, like when you go to weddings, you get served rice and sauce instead of jollof rice and white rice and the things we are used to. Well, I have a bittersweet relationship with this sauce. I've not really been a fan of it. It has not really been my thing. So I'm going to events then and I get served sauce. I didn't really enjoy it. But since I learned how to make it this way that I'm going to be showing you on this video right now, I have been a huge fan of this sauce. Okay, first, it is colorful. I love colorful foods. I've said that many times. It is colorful, it is healthy, and it is a deviation from the normal stew and jollof rice that we are used to. Okay, so guys, before we get right into this video, if you know at this point that you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly press that subscribe button. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up on this video so that more people get to see my videos. Also remember to turn on your notification bells and do not forget to share my videos. Yes guys, you can share my videos with anybody that you feel can benefit from my recipes. And also remember to let me know in the comment section the next thing you want to see on this channel, and I will make that happen ASAP. Alright guys, let me show you the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this chicken curry vegetable sauce.
For this sauce, I'll be needing some seasoning cubes, some garlic powder, some fresh Scotch bonnet peppers, some ginger powder. In here I have some curry powder as well, salt to taste. Here I have some corn flour for thickening the sauce. I have some thyme. In here I have 2 bulbs of white onions and 1 small purple onions. I have some carrots here. Now this is a full chicken, okay? I just have 1 full chicken in here. And then I have my bell peppers. Yes, I have some yellow bell peppers, some green bell peppers, and red bell peppers as well. So let's get cooking. as you can see here, I'm cutting everything into really big chunks. Okay, this is the size you want to cut your veggies. Big chunks. Now I'm going ahead to add my carrots because I don't want it to have this crunchy feeling to it. This is actually optional. You can choose to add yours later if you love your carrots crunchy, but I don't love my crunchy, so that's why I'm adding it first so that it gets to cook really well. guys, this is what I call a color fiesta. Can you see how the colors are popping? Oh my god, this food looks so attractive already. Of course, I had to add some black pepper because I'm a Niger babe and we love spicy food. Now check out this pot of bubbling goodness. Tell me that you don't want to taste this. Oh my god, it looks so good already, but as you can see, it's still a little bit, it's still watery. So now this is where my corn flour comes in to like thicken it a bit and, you know, finish up everything. Now be really careful when adding corn flour. You do not want to end up with lumps or too much corn flour. Okay, so I'm just going to be adding a little bit, as you can see. So this just finishes up everything. Yay guys, my sauce is ready. Look at it, all thickened up a bit and looking so yummy. My kitchen smells amazing at this point and I cannot wait to dig in. Guys, this is the consistency you want to achieve while making the sauce. Now this is where a lot of people make mistakes and make theirs too thick, and you know, everything just gets too it doesn't just come out well. But when you get this consistency, when it's like semi-thick, not too thick, doesn't look like soup, yes guys, this is it. Okay people, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly press that subscribe button. You know that red button down below, kindly press that subscribe button. Do not forget to like this video. I mean, this video needs to be loved. Do not forget to like my videos and leave a comment down below on the next thing you want to see on my channel. Oh my god, I'm going to be pairing my sauce with basmati rice, as you can see, to give it this perfect weight loss setting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day. Bye.